it if I may ask?
That's 26 pounds for not bad.
And your usual sleeping. So we're gonna say no because you are only the one
Okay.
who is measuring. Okay?
Yeah.
I let you know when it's ready to go.
Okay.
You are going to
I'll
start.
take off my shoe, yeah?
You can take them off if you want to, or leave them on.
Okay.
As long as it's on the foot mat, no
Okay,
problem.
okay.
You are going to start on the back.
Okay.
It's going to talk, and you're gonna feel the bed moving under you.
Okay.
Towards the end, it's gonna ask you, now it's time to turn to your preferred sleeping position. So that's when you turn to the stomach.
Okay.
And I'll be back after that, okay?
Thank you for choosing Sleep Match. Today, we're going to find your perfect mattress in just 3 minutes. We know your bed is more than a place to rest your head. It's the place you look forward to, a place you love. And it should love you back. Which is why choosing a new mattress is a big decision. But don't worry, we'll find a fit that's right for your. Muscles are engaged in supporting you, but during REM sleep, your shape, size, or preferred sleeping position, you can trust Sleep Match to find a mattress you love.
Okay.
So you can
Oh, sure, I'll be right now.
I'm feeling something on my
Oh, sure, I'll be right now.
You can say hello to a great night's sleep. We all want to wake up feeling refreshed, and that begins with the right support. It's important that your mattress provides the proper alignment of your spine's natural curvature. So perching on the edge of a mattress isn't going to help you find your... Sleep Match has successfully analysed your preferred position to find the right fit for your sleep style. If you need to move around now, please feel free.
If you want to move around, feel free.
And that's it.
I want to sleep.
You've been successfully matched with your mattress.
I want to sleep.
It's time to try your perfect mattress.
And
Yeah.
the pressure points.
It's just like a massage going on while sleeping.
So this is the list. The order of the mattresses is not an indication of their suitability, they're just recommendations. These ones obviously, they are designed in a way so that you feel the mattresses sort of shapes around you. So
Yeah.
you feel initially.
We are done at Corvis, so we are going to B&M. And then I want to get to Lidl. We're going to B&M to pick. My name is not an Antonio. We're going to B&M to pick some groceries. I'm tired, guys. So after that, go to Lidl. After Lidl, we'll pick a ride. We'll use Uber, because I don't think we'll use the bus. And we'll go. So yeah. This one is 3.19 and it's 6. It's cheaper.
It's kind of cheaper.
It's not even
But
kind
those
of-
ones are not less than £1.
It's
Eh?
always £1.
No, it's free, not 6.
No.
It's free and not 6.
6 times 400. 6 times 400. I saw it at
Oh, okay. This one is 6. The other one is.
The B&M at the center. I bought this.
Please take it. Huh? You can take that one. You can buy. You can take that piece for fried rice.
For fried rice.
You can take one more. Eh?
36 calories per tablespoon. I'm supposed to pick more eggs. My free gift, my welcome gift. Freezer bag. So you can put something cold inside. Keep it cold. I just know that God is just great. God is just amazing. See how cold it is. I don't know why people will not believe in God though. Because in some other parts of the country, I'm sure right now it's very hot. It's very hot. But here it's cold. As in really cold. God is just great. It's not the same earth. It's not the same planet. And even at that, some places are even colder than some other places. Like Portsmouth is cold, but I bet you probably Manchester is colder. Probably London is London cold? London is cold, but I don't think is more than Portsmouth. I don't know. Because each time I've been there, the cold is not always that serious in London, so I don't know. But you get the gist now. Some parts are even frozen. Some parts are cold. Some parts are freezing. Some parts are frozen. Like what I just showed you now. That green grass city garden. See how frozen it is. Even though we don't have snow here, but you can literally see top of the cars frozen. God is just amazing. It's just so amazing. So cold. I need to keep my hands inside because I'm freezing already. Yeah. It's frozen. See. Frozen. Top of that car is frozen. Abby and I are planning on moving from our current house to a new place. So I'm seeing this beautiful, wow, this place is nice. I'm seeing this beautiful environment. So the way I'm recording is it will show the area I took the recording. So I'll be able to know where this is. So in case you want to move, you might consider this place because it's really, really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Big, spacious, lovely place. This is Langstone Road. So yeah, as I'm recording it to show me where I did the recording, so I remember which area this is. So lovely. See, hi, hello, Miss Jane Okafor. No, it's not her name. Her name is Jane, but it's not Okafor. So I'm featuring her. Peace. This place is nice. But it's quiet. But it's nice. Me, I stop on later. So it's that store that will not make me consider it, even though it's lovely. Because me, I like to have shops around.
I don't even have anything for shops now.
I've not seen any shops since I've been working.
If I'm shopping, I'm shopping. I don't buy anything.
You know, it happens sometimes. You just remember that, oh, I forgot to buy salt. And you want to, like the other day, I went to the market, I bought so many things. I forgot to buy Maggi. So I wanted to cook. In fact, I started the process of the food. What do you want me to do? I have to quickly run outside to go and pick stock cubes to prepare my food. It happens.
You don't make lists of what you do in the month.
You make lists sometimes, you will not remember.
I remember.
It happens.
No way.
Some things you will not even remember to write on your list.
I will remember. Because before I go, I will enter my kitchen and open everywhere. I'm going to, do you know I have on my phone now, before the month runs down.
Anyway, I think that's what I want to do now. I want to be having them on the phone.
I just put it on my phone that time. Because you are likely to forget. When it's the end of the month.
It happens to me. But I will just forget.
The only solution is that one.